Hey guys, I'm here at OWA, and a little bit about coming to OWA. This is called the downtown section where you see the clock. You want to park, even if you're going to the amusement park or if you're going to to swim at Tropic Falls. It is easiest to park underneath the big clock. And then my son takes my granddaughter, and a lot of people do this. They come and they eat at the Groovy Goat. The kids love coming here. They love coming here to eat. It's just a fun place to hang out for the evening. When this opened, before it opened, the Groovy Goat was one of the first places that was open. And it's a fun place to go, it's a fun place to eat, and it's right here just under the big clock. And this is called the downtown section. And a lot of people come. There's lots of things to do here. There's a lot of different places to go eat. There's a lot of amusement, but it's a fun place just to walk for the evening. They've got Paula Deen's restaurant here. There's always something different going on here. And if you want to find out what the latest is, just go online and look up OWA. It'll pop up. If you're gonna go to Tropic Falls and go swimming for the day, you can order the tickets online. If you want to go to the amusement park, you can do that online. Be sure and understand that when you go to Tropic Falls and go swimming, you do pay for the amusement park as well. So if you're going to plan to do the water park, since you're paying for the amusement park, go on and try to pack the kids the proper clothes to wear to go to the amusement park, to have shirt and shoes, no bathing suits. And so that way you can make most use of that money. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that where the Groovy Goat was, and it's a very, very popular place to come eat. And I've been meaning to come by here and tell you about this fun place that you can eat and play games for several hours. The kids just love that. Talk to you later.